Hi there. So dynamic timetable, using dynamic timetable, I've created a timetable for my class for the one entire week. And this is not a static. So in next week, if I go there, I could not see timetable. So the question is, do I need to create a timetable again and again for each week? Answer is no. I can copy the timetable for I can replicate the timetable. I can copy the timetable for the rest of the weeks. You can, once you have the entire week timetable, you can copy this timetable for the entire year, but we will recommend to not to copy for the entire year or entire semester, because you could expect a lot of changes throughout the months. So the ideal way is to copy the timetable for the upcoming weeks or maybe the upcoming months. So how to do that? So for that, there's a dynamic timetable tool here, and for the class 10A, I've created a timetable for the March 7 to March 13, and now I want to copy this timetable for the upcoming 2 or 3 weeks. So how to do that? For that, just click on copy timetable button. I just clicked here and go to the second button, copy week timetable. I select the source class as 10A. I can select the multiple classes as well, but let's just focus on one class here right now. I can select specific subjects as well and specific teachers as well, but the simple way is to select one class or more than one class. Source start date, this is important. So here, if I let's go on step number 3 and again select the class 10 and just a source timetable. So this is the timetable from March 7 to March 13. I want to copy to the next week. So I need to select source start date is March 7 and March 13. So go here and select the start date is March 7 and the end date is March 13. So this is a source start date and source end date, which is going to copy into the upcoming weeks. So I need to select the weeks. So I just go here and I select the next week, which is starting from 14, and I want also the next week, which is starting from 21st March. So I want to copy the timetable for next 2 weeks. I can select many weeks there, very easy, but ideally do not copy if you are expecting a lot of changes, and just click on copy, and that's it. Timetable is copied successfully. Wow, that's great. Let's go there and check it out whether the timetable is there or not. This is the first week, and if I go there and just click on show timetable, I can see the timetable for the next second week of the March, and then clicked here and I can see the timetable for third week of March, and this is the last week of the March. There's no timetable. Okay, so I can copy the timetable wherever I want, and there are a lot of flexibilities. Again, as a summary, I can select the more than one class, I can select 1 or 2 subjects, I can select the teachers. Need to select the source start date and date, this is very important, and then select the destination weeks. So this is the way you can copy the timetable. Thank you.